Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a budget 5G phone from Lava and it's the Lava Blaze 5G. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you the performance. So starting with the unboxing, we have this clean looking box with the 5G written on it. And this phone is made in India. At the back we have the key features such as you get two color options and the one we have here is the green color. And about the specifications, so you get the premium glass back design, 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, 6.5 inch HD plus IPS display with the wideband L1 support. You get 2K recording with the EIS, side fingerprint sensor along with the face unlock. It comes with a clean Android 12 with the anonymous call recording. And about the camera, we have the 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup along with the 8 megapixel selfie camera. You get 5000 mAh battery in this phone and the processor is MediaTek Dimensity 700. And guys, with this phone, you get free in-home service. The MRP on the box is Rs 14,999. However, the launch price is Rs 10,000, which is an introductory pricing. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the silicone clear case for this phone, which is of good quality. And here we have the SIM removal pin. And then below it, we have the information about the in-home service. And after that, we have the phone itself, which we will check in a moment. Apart from that, in the box we get the Type-C charging cable and the 10-watt power adapter, which comes with two USB ports. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartphone closely. Lava Blaze 5G is the latest smartphone in the Blaze series. And guys, looking at the design and build quality, keeping in mind the pricing, I'm again surprised with the build quality of this phone. The glass back does look premium and you get this matte texture at the back, which does look and feel very premium. We get the flat design in this phone, which makes it easier to hold, and also the in-hand feel of this smartphone is very good and it doesn't feel like a smartphone which cost around 10,000 rupees. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 6.5 inch HD plus display in this phone, and on the top we have the earpiece along with the dewdrop notch, which has the 8 megapixel selfie camera. The bezels are slim on the top, but you get slightly thicker bezel at the bottom of the display. Looking at the right side of the phone, we have the power button, which is also this side mounted fingerprint sensor. And on the other side, we have the volume buttons along with the SIM tray. And in this phone, we get triple slot SIM tray, which supports micro SD card up to 1 TB. Looking at the bottom of the phone, we have the speaker grill, Type-C USB port for charging, a mic and the headphone jack. Now looking at the back, we have the triple camera setup on the top with the flashlight. And here at the bottom, we have the Lava 5G branding. So overall in terms of design and build quality, full marks to Lava for offering such a premium looking phone at a budget price. Now let's turn it on and show you the features. So here we have set up the phone, and the first thing we have noticed that even though the display is HD+, but the display quality is very good. The viewing angles are good and the touch is also quite responsive. You get the 90Hz refresh rate and the output is quite smooth. And guys, I'm really happy to see the 90Hz display in a budget phone. Now about the OS, we get the Android 12 out of the box. And here we can see this phone has no bloatware and you get stock Android experience. Now in terms of the performance, the display output is very good and we have tested it by watching videos on YouTube and Netflix, and the output is very good. One more thing worth mentioning here is that you get the wideband L1 support, so you can stream HD content on Amazon Prime and Netflix. Apart from that, you get the background stream feature, which lets you play music from YouTube in the background without the YouTube Premium. Now in terms of the hardware performance, the RAM management is very good in this phone, and you can also enable the 3 GB virtual RAM option. And about the processor, we get the MediaTek Dimensity 700, which is an octa-core processor and supports 5G. We did some benchmark tests on this phone, and we got a decent score of 302,000 in the Antutu, which is expected with this hardware. And here we have the Geekbench 5 scores. Now moving towards the camera performance, the rear camera output is definitely the best in this price segment. And here we have some sample pictures which we have clicked in different lighting conditions. Similarly, the front camera output is decent and the output is very good. Talking about the performance a bit more, we have also played some games on this phone, and for casual gaming, this phone is very good. And we didn't notice any heating issues in this phone. In some games, we were getting high refresh rate, which is also pretty good. Now lastly about the battery performance, The 5000 mAh battery in this phone offers good battery backup, and with my usage, I was able to get day and a half battery backup, which is pretty impressive. So overall, the Lava Blaze 5G is the cheapest 5G phone which offers a good design and build quality. The performance of this phone is very good for casual usage as well as for gaming. The camera output is decent for both indoors and outdoors, and for low light, the night mode works very well. Couple of things makes this phone even better, such as the wideband L1 support, which is usually missing in the budget phones. And also, the background streaming option is also an advantage. We were not able to test the 5G performance on this phone due to the lack of network availability at our location, but it's confirmed by Lava that it supports all Indian 5G band. So in short, if you're looking for a budget 5G phone around 10,000 rupees, then this is a very good option, and we highly recommend you to check out this premium looking 5G phone from Lava. So that's it guys, this was the overview of the Lava Blaze 5G. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this phone, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.